So if you have this product, I'll tell you how can you use it to reduce your face fat. So this is evolutionary product that I have been using since I think 1 year now. But this is, believe me, a game changer. If you are like too tired and don't want to do facial exercises, then this is what you can use for something which is electric. So just open it, off and on, put a battery, and how to use it. First we will focus on the middle chin area, 8 to 10 times of a repetition. Don't go here and there, just focus on one area at a time, 8 to 10 times. Okay, after that focus on the other side, pull it down, sculpt the chin or jawline. If you can see my jawlines. Change 8 to 10 times. Make sure you are doing this on neck as well, because most of the people forget to massage neck. Okay, if you can see the instant result on my face. Next section would be this fine lines. Hold it and pull it upward 8 to 10 times. You can do these exercises twice a day. Whenever you are sitting or talking on phone, you can grab it and do these facial exercises. This will help you in boosting the collagen. So hold it again, other hand, pull it up. This will help you in reducing the fine lines or the wrinkles post 30. Okay, this section is done. Next is this, 8 to 10 times. And if you have fat hair, you can do like this. This product is easily available on Meesho in a very minimal rate. Next is pull upward for your head. Or you can do like this. Again mid area, then followed by the side area. Pull it upward 8 to 10 times. And good job. So this is, and now I'll switch it off. So this product you can use to reduce the fine lines, the face fat. If you can see, my face is instantly refreshed. So you can use it to reduce the face fat, and you can use it anytime. All it need, it's a battery, and it is available in just 250 rupees in Meesho. For the link, DM for the link.